Welcome or welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you how I made my vision board for 2021 and how you can make one too. Now for those who don't know what a vision board is, let me just tell you. A vision board is a collage of images, pictures and affirmations of one's dreams and desires designed to serve as a source of inspiration and motivation and to use the law of attraction to attain the goals. But why vision board? This is because by making a vision board, you will be very clear about your desires and goals for 2021, and by seeing this vision board, you will be motivated for achieving your goals. So now let's start making our vision board. Now in the first step, you have to write down all the goals that you want to achieve in 2021, and you don't have to restrict yourself just to 2021. You can write your long-term goals also. Like some goals that I wrote here, in which some I want to achieve them in just a few weeks or a month, some in 2021 and some are even in 5 years or more. Writing down your goals will make you think that what exactly do you want, and this will also help you in the second step, that is gathering the pictures. As this is the first time that I am making a vision board, so I took some help from the Google and saw some other people's vision board to get an idea that what all can I include in my vision board. So if you are also doing it for the first time, you can also take help from Google. So I wrote down some 10 to 15 goals that I want to achieve in 2021. In that, some of them are like developing some good habits, so I want to achieve them within the starting of the year, some of them within the whole year, and some of my long-term goals are also there that I want to achieve in a few years. So our next step will be gathering the pictures. So all of my pictures come from Pinterest and some of them are from Google also. So you can find pictures from Google, magazine or any other source you like. It really doesn't matter that from where your pictures come from. Now here I have searched images related to the goals that I have written in my diary. Your goals can be very simple, like reading books, eating healthy, exercising, doing yoga. Now our next task will be arranging these pictures. So I am using Microsoft Word for arranging these pictures. You can use any app that you like. Now I am done with arranging these pictures and it's time to get them printed. Now it's time to take the print out. So here I am using glossy paper to take print. So I have printed all the pictures and now it's time to cut them. Now cutting these pictures is gonna be a tough task for me, as I never used to cut the pictures And whenever I wanted to get something cut, I always asked my sister to do that for me. But anyways, I have to cut these pictures. Oh, it's so time consuming, yaar. But finally I did it. Now we are all ready to make our vision board. The things you will need to make your vision board now is just the pictures, any card sheet of whichever color you like, a fevicol or a fevi stick, and just stick them. Now I have arranged all the pictures and now I will stick them all with a fevicol. Now I am writing vision board on a black chart paper and then I will cut it and paste it at the top of my vision board. So now let me just show you my vision board and explain all the pictures. So here the first one, it's 2021 Happy New Year. Now this one is my foremost important goal for 2021 to eat healthy. Then coming to this is doing meditation. Moving further, here I see this picture as a girl who is very hardworking and focusing on studies as I want to complete my syllabus in 2021. So this picture gives me a lot of motivation for that. Now moving further, it's happy, and here in this picture a quote is written, keep a positive mindset, so stay positive and study hard. Now here this one to attract the good vibes. Now this is a girl who wakes up early, and for this I need consistency, and I see this girl as she is very relaxed, having no tension. Now to learn driving is one of my another important goal for 2021. Now here it's another quote, follow one courage until success. Moving to another picture, I want to read many books other than UPSC, so I will try to read as many books as I can. Then here are some positive affirmations that I am successful and be the girl who pays her own bills, as I wanna be independent as soon as I can. Here it's a YouTube silver play button given to the YouTubers who complete 1 lakh subscribers on their YouTube channel. I know it's a little long-term goal, but it can be come true very soon if you all will subscribe to my YouTube channel. So do subscribe, like, comment and share my video. Here it's doing yoga, my another important goal for 2021. Now this one is actually the picture of my home. As I'm away from my home, so those who are away from their home, they know how hard it is to stay away from your family, and family is my best motivation, so I pasted this for always staying motivated. Coming to this, here it's an affirmation that I'm creating the life of my dreams, stay focused, good vibes and grateful. So these two pictures, these are my long-term goal. This one is my dream room, as other than becoming an IAS, the only dream I saw for myself is making a house and in that a beautiful room for myself. Then here is the picture of Labasna. I feel like vision board will be incompleted without the picture of Labasna, so here it is. I hope you liked the video and I'm waiting to see your vision board as well. Do share this video and subscribe to my channel.